Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. Your new chapter is perimeter, area and volume. What is perimeter? Perimeter means the length of the boundary of a plane figure. The length of the boundary of a plane figure is its perimeter. Then here one rectangle is given. Then the rectangle have four sides. Two opposite sides are equal. That is, these two sides are called length and these two sides are called breadth. Then the perimeter of the rectangle means this length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is, perimeter equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Then we arrange these letters length plus breadth plus breadth. That is 2L plus 2B. 2 length plus 2 breadth. Then 2 is common, so we take out. Then formula becomes perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Next, square. The figure square is given. The square have all sides are equal. Then all sides of the square is equal. Then length plus length plus length plus length is the perimeter. That is L plus L means 4L. The repetition of addition means the multiplication. So 4 times the length plus length means 4 into length. Then the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Length we call length and breadth is not here, only one length. Then so we write here side. Then perimeter of the square means 4 into side. Next, perimeter of a composite figure. Perimeter of a composite figure. That is, one figure is given. It is not in the shape of rectangle or a square, but all angles are in 90 degree. So, given AB given, BC is not given, CD is given, DE given, FE is not given and AF is given. Now we arrange. We will find these two sides. That is, AF is 14, DE is 3. Then we will find this BC. Then this point B becomes G. Then AF is 14, DE is 3. Then BG and AF are equal. Then DE and CG are equal. DE is 3, so CG is also equal to 3. Then total 14, CG is 3. CG is 3, therefore BC is 14 minus 3 equal to 11. Next, AB is 6, CD is 3, so FE is 6 plus 3, 9. Then perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF. Next, area of a field. Here some squares are given. It is a rectangle form. A rectangle have some squares. Then how many squares are here? Then we can count. That is 18 squares. Number of squares in the field is 18. Therefore, the area equal to 18 square meter. The length is 6 and the breadth is 3. So, area of the rectangle 18 square meter. That is length into breadth. That is 6 into 3 equal to 18. That is 18 square meter. That is area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Next, figure it is, these two sides are, all sides are 4 centimeter. So that is a square. Number of squares in the field is, you can count these, 16 squares are here. So area is 16 square meter. That is, area of a square is side into side. That is 4 into 4 is 16. Then the formula is side into side. Area of a square is side into side. That is 4 into 4, 16 square meter. That is, area of a square is side into side. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of an irregular figure, a composite figure. That is, this figure has no rectangle and no square, but it is in all angles are 90 degrees. So we divide these two parts. Then we draw a dotted line here. Then this one is an rectangle, this one is another rectangle. Then this length is 6 and this one is 10. Then area of first part is length into breadth, that is 10 into 6, 60. Then area of this part equal to, this length is 8 and this breadth is 6, 8 into 6, 48. Then area of this composite figure equal to area first one plus second one, that is 60 plus 48, 108. This figure is, you can divide in these two parts. That is, you can draw this line also here. Then this breadth is 6, this breadth is 6, so total 10. This one is 6, so this length equal to 10 minus 6. Total is 10. This length is 6. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to this one 4. Then area of first field is length into breadth. Length is 4, breadth is 6. That is 6 4s are 24. Same as this field. That is, length of this side is 8. Then this one is 6. That is 8 plus 6, 14. Length is total 14 and breadth is 6. 14 6 are 84. Then 24 plus 84 equal to 108. That is, both have the same area. You can solve, you can draw a line in this form, this form, area becomes same. We go through some another exercise. You can find the perimeter of this figure. That is, each one is 2 centimeter length. Each square has 2 centimeter length. Then you can count this 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 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 2. Then 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. It is 3 2s are 6. Then 2 to 4, 10, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then same as you can count, each square side is 2 meter. So 2 centimeter. Then you can count 2 plus 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 2 and plus 2. Then you can count the total length of this figure. Then you will get the perimeter, same as this figure also. Another exercise, given this side is 9, this one is 3, then you listen, 6, this side is 6, then this side, this one is 2, this one is 2 and this one is 2. Then you will find this length, that is total length is 9, then 2, 2, 2, 6. Then remaining this side is 3. This side is 3. That is 9 plus 3 plus 3. Then listen, this one is 6. This side is, the opposite side is 3. Then the remaining side, this side is 3 also. Then this one is 3. This side is 3. This side is also 3. Then you will find the perimeter of this figure. Next question. This length is 2, 2, 2, 2 given, same as 2, 2 given here also. Then this length is total, this length 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8 is the length here, and 8 is also length of this side, that is 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then this side is 2, here 2, this side is also 2 given here. Then you will count the side and find the perimeter of